Good afternoon. My name is Precious Nyaku. I am co-founder and CEO at Paysail. And I'm super excited to be here today. And the reason is that at Paysail, we are fundamentally rethinking payroll for the African business. And I'd love to tell you why. But first, I'd like you to quickly ponder this. Most accounting software are fairly expensive and will almost always come with a module that's dedicated to payroll. Now think about it. If a business has probably spent thousands of dollars to acquire this kind of software, why would they not then use it for payroll, but be willing to pay extra to use some other service for the same purpose? Now, the answer we found in most cases has been that these accounting packages don't support local taxes. And that's a problem, because if I run my business in Nigeria, there are probably federal and state legislation that governs how I go about running payroll. And I would expect my payroll software to be able to handle all of those details so that I don't have to jump through any hoops. And quite frankly, most accounting packages on the market today don't do this. And that's where we come in. We are Paysail, and we are filling the need by providing software that isn't just easy to use, but is optimized to handle local taxes right out of the box, so that as a business owner, you don't even have to think about it. You don't need to do anything extra, but the software itself just works. Now, we launched Paysail 2 months ago in Accra, and we've since gone on to sign up over 100 SMBs, ranging from different verticals, including construction, mining, and education. And the feedback from them has been awesome. And that's going back into helping us improve upon our current offering. Now, in terms of the market opportunity, there are currently 55,000 registered SMBs in Ghana. And we think that with the right partnerships, we can inexpensively reach 20% of that market in the near term. And when you apply our current revenue model of $70 per month, we are at a potential of $15 million annually. In terms of user acquisition, we've tried direct selling. We've also tried online search engine marketing. But going forward, we are investing in partnerships. We are securing partnerships with accountant groups in Ghana, the Social Security Fund in Ghana, and other organizations that will help us inexpensively put our software in the hands of the thousands of employers that are currently registered on the scheme. We're really excited about how far we've come, and we're here today looking for $100,000 in funding to help us do two things very quickly. First, we are rolling Paysail up to version 2.0, by which time we will have payment integration so that our customers can go from running payroll for their employees to actually distributing the salaries using mobile money and direct bank integrations. Secondly, we're expanding our reach to cover Nigerian tax and Kenyan tax as well going forward. And once that's out of the way, we'll have a minimal sales team on the ground to help us really get customer acquisition underway. At this point, I want to quickly show you what the application itself looks like. Setup is quick and easy. You can do it literally in minutes. You go from filling a form that provides basic information about your company to picking a date each month that you would like us to crunch the numbers for you. Once that's out of the way, you get access to a dashboard that tells you different things about your payroll, like what's your current head count, when is your next payday coming up, and an estimate of how much your next payroll is going to cost once it's due. You can click further to see a detailed breakdown of what that cost exactly means. And you can see everything from net salaries to taxes and social security. In addition to that, you can generate reports very easily that give you a grasp of what's going on with your payroll. And finally, at the core of it, we're about making employees happy. So we generate payslips that employees can receive at the end of the month by email or SMS that tells them, hi, you've just been paid. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for listening. We are Paysail, super excited to be here. You can find us at booth D24, and we'll be happy to answer as many questions as you have. Thank you.
Thank you, Team Paysail.